welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, I'm Marissa and I cut off all of my hair. It's literally so short, but I love it. Anyways, point of this video is not about my hair. It is about my nighttime skincare routine. I'm going to show you my routine that I do every night. This is completely different from what I do in the morning time, and this is completely different from my past skincare routines. I know I have a few skincare routines up. I think I have like 2, but those products I found made my face break out and I got cystic acne and it clogged my pores. And now I found my holy grail products that I cannot live without because they literally do not break my face out. And that's because the dermatologist recommended it. And bonus, it is drugstore products that you can find at Walmart, Target, Walgreens, CVS. If you want to see my nighttime skincare routine and how I keep my face clear, then just keep on watching. I do have some makeup on, not on my face because my face is so burnt and my eyelids are burnt, as you can tell. I just have mascara and some brows. So to take that off, I just use a cotton round. This stayed the same. This is my Simple Sensitive Skin Experts Water Boost Micellar Water. Just looks like that. So now that my makeup is off, now I'm going to wash my face, and the stuff that I use is drugstore and it does not clog your pores, and dermatologists really recommend it, and that is Cetaphil. I use a bunch of their stuff, and this is the Extra Gentle Daily Scrub, and then this one is the Gentle Skin Cleanser. I've been using this one for years and years now, probably like since I've been in middle school, so that's like 7th grade, so 8th, 9th, 10th, 11th, 12th, freshman, that's almost 7 years, so I love this stuff. It's gentle, I have really sensitive skin, as you can tell my eyelids are burnt because I put moisturizer on them and then they burnt, and this just does not clog my pores. I found out that like St. Ives and stuff like that clogs your pores, and that's what I was using. And ever since then, I have not gotten any cystic acne. And if I do get any pimples, it would be like little ones just around that time of the month. Cetaphil is just a really good brand, very reliable, very affordable. It is affordable, but it is a little more expensive for a drugstore. It is about $14, $15. It ranges from $10 to $15, but really good stuff. I'm not wearing a ton of makeup today. If I was wearing a bunch of makeup, I would go in with my Extra Gentle Daily Scrub, and I would do that first, but since I don't have anything on my face and I just want to get like a nice quick cleanse in and then just like wash up around my eyes, I'm going to go in with my Gentle Skin Cleanser. And love this stuff. I love using them together, but on days where I just don't have a lot of like makeup or a lot of dirt, I go in with this. And I go in with about 3 pumps or so. Okay, so now I'm all cleansed and I'm ready to moisturize, tone, do all that good stuff. So usually if I feel like my face is a little greasy or I have a little bit of breakouts, I will go in with my Ole Henriksen Grease Relief Face Tonic, which I'm going to do today. I'm just not going to do a lot of it since I am a little sunburned from tanning yesterday and my skin is just like super dry and I need some oils back into my skin. So I'm just going to apply this right kind of where I have breakouts, and I'm just going to like push it in so that way you can get all the dirt and grease out of these pimples. So next I'm going to go in my Ole Henriksen Truth Serum Collagen Booster. You guys know I love this stuff. I've gone through like 3 bottles, and yeah, I use this morning and night. Vitamin C is super good for your skin. and I just pat it into the skin. My skin feels so like, you know, like when you burn something and it feels like kind of not reptile-y, but like scaly. Now going in with the star of the show is the Cetaphil Daily Facial Moisturizer with SPF 15. This claims to be hydrating, nourishing, and protecting. UVA and UVB protection, which it is because it has SPF. It's non-comedogenic, which I think if when it says that, it means like the sunscreen's not gonna be greasy, it's not gonna clog your pores. Fragrance-free, lightweight, and non-greasy, and that is why I use this, and it does not clog my pores at all. That completes my nighttime skincare routine. These are the products I use at night, and some I use in the morning, obviously, like my cleansers and my moisturizer, just not all of the oils. This stuff is my holy grail. Love the Cetaphil, and that just completes my nighttime skincare routine. So if you like this video, give it a big thumbs up, comment down below any video suggestions, subscribe, follow me on my socials. I'll see you guys in my next video.